You've been going through challenges. You've been going through a season of lack. You've been going through a season of poverty. You've been going through a season of just looking at your life and thinking that things are not lining up, looking at your peers and thinking that they've gone ahead of you and thinking that your life is just not worth it anymore. You've been at that point in your life for a long time now where you're thinking things are just not working out for you. I have a word from the Lord for you. God is saying, do not give up. God is saying, do not throw in the towel. God is saying, do not commit suicide. God is saying that be strong, for the time to favor you has come. Yes, the set time has come. When I was in my prayer closet, God spoke to me that do not give up. And God spoke to me that this is the season of breakthroughs. This is a season of the supernatural. This is a season of a turnaround moment. This is a season where things were being difficult for you, but I'm sending help for you. God is saying that He is turning things around to work for you. God is saying that He is sending you a financial breakthrough. Finances will come from unexpected sources. God is saying that help will come from unexpected sources. God is saying that do not give up. God is saying that keep confessing the word. God is saying that keep walking by faith because your time for a supernatural miracle has come. When a supernatural miracle comes, it happens in a way that just defies the natural, a way that defies the ordinary. And that set time has come right now. I've come to give you a word from the Lord that this is the time to favor you. This is the time for your turnaround moment. This is the time for your breakthrough. Yeah, financial breakthrough has come your way. I need for you to be positioned to receive from the Lord because God spoke to me and said that this is a year, this is a time, this is a season for a breakthrough. This is a season for a supernatural turnaround. This is a season for a supernatural miracle. I know that God, when He speaks, He backs up His word. When He speaks, He watches over His word to perform it. And we need not doubt, but we need to position ourselves to ask from the Lord to show His word, for the Lord to make His word come alive in our lives. Because I know that when God speaks, He is ready to perform that which He has said, because His word does not come down and return unto Him void, because He has said that this is a turnaround season. So I know that you ought to position yourselves. One of the things that you ought to do when God speaks His word for a breakthrough, you need to position yourself. You need to set systems in place that will make sure that you are able to receive from the Lord. If it's a financial breakthrough, have systems in place that help you receive financially. Do you have a business that you've been running? Do you have CVs that you have set out for job opportunities? Do you have bank accounts that you have opened? Open those e-wallets that will cause you to receive from the Lord. Set those products in place that you can sell, whether it's physical, whether it's online, so that the Lord can have an avenue in which He will bless you. Because God has said that increase has come your way, a turnaround has come your way, a supernatural miracle has come your way. But you need to be positioned to receive from the Lord, otherwise, it will pass you by. This is your time to receive your breakthrough. This is your moment. This is your season. Do not give up. Keep your faith confession. Even if the situation looks bleak, even if things look as if they're not going to work for you, I declare and decree right now that you shall receive your supernatural breakthrough. For this is your moment for a turnaround. Your set time to be favored. Your set time to be increased. Your set time for the Lord to do that which you thought you'll never do in your life. This is the set time. Receive the word of the Lord and walk by faith and receive from the Lord today.